Alright, Slayer Pro on Zealot, which was one of my favorite maps so far. Holy shit. Oof. Ugh. Just vomited up a lung.
Slayer.
Slayer. How can they name this Slayer and not get sued by the band? Slayer. Yes.
Gain the lead.
Double kill. Oh, here we go, here we go. Down low. Damn. There's a lot of dead bodies. Fuck did they go? Here we go. Good shit. Got him. Really wish I had grenades. Fucking idiot. Oh no, I have grenades, look. Oh shit! I didn't know it would go that high. That was crazy.
Gain the lead.
What the fuck? That was some bad luck. I landed right in front of a dude and started shooting the shit out of me.
Gain the lead.
Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Right here to the right. Yeah, I got him and he got me. Mine was skill, his was desperation. Well, we both died, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Oh, hoo-ha. That's funny. We both meleeed him. He died right in front of me. He said, bleh. He gave up. Bleh. Got bounced the wrong fucking way. God damn it. All the action's on the other side. Here we go. Holy shit. Oh my god! Why'd our bodies go so far? This shit made no sense. Our bodies were fucking careening. Finally a clean kill on that guy. Did he die? Yes. Oh my god, look how there's sticky came out of nowhere. Oh my god, another sticky. Thing followed me. Oh, I wanted to assassinate him. God damn it. Yeah. Where is he? Where is he? Below us? Damn it! I didn't kill him. Fuck.
Gain the lead.
People keep sticking me. It's ridiculous. Fucking lucky ass sticking. I'll just keep walking towards you while you throw stickies like an idiot. Where'd he go? Down? He stuck me again, man! He keeps sticking the shit out of me! Like I said, either he's the best fucking grenade tosser ever, or the game is fucking being very gracious to him. Yes. Damn, we are fucking... Got him. Oh my god. I didn't even see this dude. I thought that was the guy I just killed. Another dude appeared in front of him. That was crazy. Oh shit. These guys spawn right next to each other. The fucking Tweedledee and Tweedledum spawn next to each other. That wasn't fair. Where are they? Oh, fucking grenade, man. It bounces back and hits me. Got him. Where is he? What the fuck? Dude, my whole life bar! My whole fucking life bar from something. I don't even know what it was. Got him. Woo! Yeah! Execution on the executioner. Execution on the executioner. That was beautiful. Oh, they're gonna get the last kill. Damn it. Damn it. And I'm the best player on my team. I'm the best player in the whole fucking game, dude. Current rating 1602. Woo! Oh, my score by like 50 right there. Nice. The execution on the executioner.
You died more.
Ka-ching. I don't even get that many points for my best performance yet.
I am a winner.
Nice. Of course, that's, again, it's not fair because they didn't even have a fucking player on their team. It's so gay, you know? I had an 8-kill spread, which is great, but...
Actually, you didn't die more.
They were short of a fucking player. It's retarded. What? My score was 1602. Oh, I guess it takes the average of your best 3 scores. Alright, so I'm a 1576.